Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. This is new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So here I place my trade call option because of this zone up down, then market will go up here. Even though with this little bit gap up, I know definitely market is going up here. Yes, market must go up, so that's why I place my trade call option. So let's see. Because the major trend is up, strong uptrend, so here you should expect market to go up. So that's why I place my trade call option. Here we have 6 seconds. You see, this is winning trade. So let's check another one. So here is downtrend, major downtrend, up down. You see gap down here. Yes, if I get higher, yes, I place put option here because definitely market must go down here because of this up down. You see market is going down, so that's why I place my trade put option. You see major trend is downtrend. We have 17 seconds. You see market is going down, so this is another winning trade. So let's check another one. Here is ranging, market is in ranging mode, but the trend is up down. Let me change. So here this is downtrend. Market comes, touch Bollinger, market is going up. So this is zone. Here is zone. So after this candle, I'm expecting market to go down because market has rejected from this zone here, but market is going below. You see market is going down. See, so no problem. Let me change this one. Not convinced. There is strong downtrend here after doji. Market is going down. So but I'm late. So I'm late, no problem. Yes, I placed put option here. I wanted to place my trade here, but no problem, I place it down. So I know market is going down, it's creating strong candle. Now I wanted to enter here because of expiration time, because of this zone. I know this will protect me, but still market brought me down, but no problem. I'm expecting strong candle. As you can see here, this running candle has broken this candle strongly, so that's why I know definitely market is going down strongly. So that's why I place my trade put option, and the major trend is downtrend. So at here you see this is ranging now because we are between 50 and 20 MA, but this showing change of trend. Yes, let me see here, this area. So if market touch this level, let me change. I'm not convinced with this one. Yes, here you see we are in range mode as well. Here we are arranging. So here this is strong area. So market rejected 2-3 times, which means market is trying to break this, even though here is strong. But if this candle close little bit higher, yes, so now market is going down little bit. Yes, now market must go down, and you see I get very nice entry points. So I know definitely, even though you see very strong bias entry, so you should expect market to go down. And thank God I got very good margin of safety. So I know market is going down now. So let's see. Market is doing panic. So I know definitely market must go down. You see market is going down. We have 20 seconds. You see, I know market must go down. You see, market is going down, but little bit down. Thank God I have good margin of safety entry. So let's take one more trade and close. Only one more nice trade I'm looking for. Let me search and analyze. So here you see this is ranging market, but between EMA 200 and 150 and 20 are very far. So here let me see what we are going to do. But this is very strong entry. Anything can happen, it will break. But market hook here, no rejection. Market, yes, strong rejection. Let me see the movement of this candle. Yes, strong rejection. I placed without margin of safety. I know market must create candle like this, strong candle. Even though without margin of safety, definitely this candle must be strong, something like this. That's why I place my trade without margin of safety. So in this situation, if you can analyze very well, you can enter anyhow because of the movement of this candle. So I know it must create candle something like this. At least more than 50% of this type of candle market must create. So that's why I've just placed my trade without margin of safety. You see, market is trying to create exactly something like this. You see exactly the same size. So if you can be able to analyze very well to know the situation of the market, you can predict rightly, you can predict what will going to happen in the market. So you see, so that's why I placed my trade without margin of safety in this situation, because between, you see, this 1, 2, 3 EMA are squeezed together, and you can see 200 is far away from them. So in this situation, it's hardly for market to reach 200 EMA. Market must reverse. So that's why I placed my trade. As you can see now, I place total 5 trades, all are winning trade based on my analysis. You see, very nice one here. You see here, put option, this another put option, this another put option, all the trade. I think I put option today. Okay, only one call option, this one call option. You see this one put, this one put, this one put as well, and the last one put. So you see, I took total 5 trades. All are winning trades based on my analysis, zone, running candle, market structure, EMS. All these things you have to know very well so that you can be able to analyze it very well. So this is the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, like it, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.